We'll guide you through how to connect a USB drive to an Android and transfer photos and videos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because perhaps you've gone and taken them on here and now you want them on the drive to go and put onto another device, or maybe just to go and keep them there. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may miss an important part of this video. So to get started, if you haven't already got a drive, we're going to link some down below on Amazon. You can check out. They are affiliate links to support the channel at no extra cost. So I've got one here. This one isn't ideal because I can't go and connect it straight in. The majority of Androids now use USB-C, as you can see, but this is a normal USB. So we are going to need to get an adapter. If you need an adapter as well, we'll go and link them down below with the USBs. So we need to go and plug the adapter in, and then I can go and plug in the USB, like so. You can go and see we've now got it connected. So now what we need to do is we need to go and swipe up, and we need to go and press search at the top, and we need to go and find the files. So we can go and type in files, and here it is. So open up your files app. What you need to do is you need to get back to the main page here. So you can go and press the back button in the bottom left or top, and you want to get to categories. And then what you can do is you can go and find images. You've got videos as well, and you can then go and see them there. So what we can then do is start scrolling down and finding what you want to go and move. So I've got quite a few different ones here. So what you can then do is tap and hold on one you want, and then you can go and start selecting them. So I'll select those two and these. Then when you've got them selected, you can go and press move in the bottom left. And then at the top here, you need to go and scroll along. Find USB storage. What I like to do is just go and create a folder so it's easy to identify it. So I'll press plus in the top right and name this move, and we'll press create. Then you can go and tap on it and press move here. You could go and copy them if you want to go and keep a copy on your device, as otherwise we've got to move them. Then we'll press back, and you can press videos, and you can go and select the video or videos you want to do this with. Press move in the bottom left, and we can go and scroll along and press USB storage, find our folder, and we can press move, and they'll then go and be moved. So that's it. That is how it can go and be done. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you again.